ಬಹುದೂರದಿಂದ ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ದರ್ಶನ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಬಂದಿರುವೆ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ, ಕಣ್ತುಂಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವೆ.
ನಿನ್ನಂತಹ ಹೀರಕುಲದ ಪಾವರನು ದೇವರ ದರ್ಶನ ಪಡೆದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಮೈಲಿಗೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲೇನು? ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ.
ಪೂರ್ವಾಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಕನಕದಾಸರ ಮಹಿಮೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಶರಣಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ.
From the floor. Okay, that's all. I'm done. As I failed to get a new charger, this one volt charger I brought, and my power bank was not charging with this charger. I wasted 1 hour here in Kanakadasa Palace by charging my mobile at least. Be careful in Peja. Today's lunch, double egg fried rice, roadside. This is Bankapura Fort area. I'm inside Bankapura Fort. I think I've seen this before, this Bankapura Fort and Nagareshwara temple. I waited nearly 45 minutes in Border Cross. One bus came, but it didn't stop. Then one fellow told me, get any bike. So I got a drop from one bike fellow. And after seeing this shelter, I think I have seen this temple earlier. This is Bankapura Shasana inside the Bankapura Fort. Kannada. I don't know whether they have translated to the new Kannada or not. One more here. This is Nagareshwara temple inside the Bankapura Fort. All around same type of sculpture. Some games playing. Yes. Adugulu Mane. This one. In those days, that's the only entertainment for they had. Why this? Because of continuous sitting by people, it has created some hollows on the stones. Nagareshwara temple inside the Bankapura fort. Temple is closed. Broken pieces of sculptures backside of the temple. This is a little bit below the ground level. This upper, I don't know, heating problem. So change. Sleeping at Nagareshwara temple. Afternoon rest. Oh. Thank you very much. Bye bye. A lady is sitting beside me. I was clearing the sweat from my head and she asked me some question. Then I said, yes, it's very hot and I'm sweating a lot. No, I don't know. I thought she is worried about my sweating of the head, but she is worried about her own problem. Bye bye. I'll be coming here again in 11:56 in the night.